Welcome back to Ruma's Rannaghor. Today I have for you is a pizza dough recipe topped off with our favorite store-bought pizza sauce. Start off with 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 packets of active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine your ingredients together. Follow with 1 1/3 cup of warm water and half cup of olive oil or canola oil. Now stir in your ingredients. On a dry surface, add flour and start kneading your dough. Transfer the dough to a lightly oiled bowl and cover. Place it in a warm area and let it rise for about an hour. The dough should double in size. Once the dough has risen, use your hands to gently deflate it and transfer it to a lightly floured surface. I'm making 2 pizzas, therefore I'm cutting my dough into half. Use either your hands or a rolling pin to work the dough into the size you want. Make sure to use a generous amount of pizza sauce because it's never enough. I'm using our absolute favorite Classico traditional pizza sauce. Top it with mozzarella cheese and any toppings you'd like. Hope you like this easy to make pizza. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time.